4, 3.
Hi, welcome to Hitachi Heating. Today we're going to demonstrate a video on the main Hitachi Yutaki controller and also the thermostat functions as well. So just looking at the controller here, just to take you through some of the icons and display functions. You have the top left hand corner the hour and minutes of the time. On the top right hand corner you can see the date, today's date. The mode is shown here. It's shown as sun, which means it's in heating mode. C1 is circuit 1 heating, C2 is circuit 2 heating, and DHW is domestic hot water. In the bottom left hand corner here you've got a house symbol and a temperature. That's the ambient temperature outside. So that's the temperature outside. And then as the system starts and stops, you'll have different icons in here to show what is actually happening. Using the arrow keys here, you can adjust temperatures manually. So arrow across to DHW, domestic hot water, and you can adjust the temperature of domestic hot water. This is your set point for domestic hot water. You can also power off hot water using the standby button here. You can simply just power off hot water, and using the arrow keys you can also power off your heating circuit as well, as shown. So now the standby light is now gone. To power it back on again, pressing the standby button, so now heating is now back enabled again, and using the arrow key you can now power it back on domestic hot water. You can also set timers for heating and hot water. So where you've got domestic hot water highlighted, press OK. Using the arrow keys you can select timer. Timer type you can select disabled, a simple timer, or a scheduled timer. So now you can select what functionality you would like your hot water and the hours of operation for your hot water. Setting temperature you can adjust using the arrow keys, the start time, the stop time, etc. And you can do the same thing using the back button. For heating, circuit 1, press OK. Select timer. You can select whether you want to do the temperature by air temperature or by water temperature. At the moment it's disabled. You can change it then to a simple timer or a scheduled timer as required. Once you're happy with the timer functions, press OK. And that timer then will be set up for your heating or your hot water circuits. We've also enabled this controller to be your room thermostat as well. So this is a room thermostat for circuit 1 heating. So by pressing the back button, we now switch across now to the thermostats screen. So still has the time in the top left hand corner, has the date in the top right hand corner, still showing you your outside temperature in the bottom left hand corner, and at the moment it's showing off because we've got no demand at the moment on the heating circuits. If you did have demand, then you can change this manually. To whatever temperature you require. And once you're happy, you can go back to your main controller, which will indicate whether you're in heating mode or hot water mode. That's a quick demonstration of the Hitachi Yutaki main controller. Thank you.